In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your users and teams in Clickup. This process is essential for ensuring that your entire team is on board and can collaborate effectively within Clickup, an all-in-one productivity platform. Now let's dive right into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and type in Clickup's website address. You'll want to hit enter, and once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. This is the gateway to your team's organization and productivity management. Next, look for the Login button, usually situated in the top right corner of the home page. Click on it, and you will be redirected to the login page where you'll need to access your Clickup account. If you're new or haven't logged in for a while, make sure you remember your login credentials. If you prefer a quicker login method, you'll find the option to sign in with Google. Click on the Sign in with Google button, and this will lead you through the Google authentication process that conveniently connects your Google account with Clickup. It's a real time saver for those who are constantly toggling between various apps. The next screen will prompt you to select the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, select the one linked to your Clickup account. Once your account has been authenticated, you'll be directed to your Clickup workspace homepage. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile name. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Manage Users. This is where you control who has access to your workspace and projects. Once you're on the Manage Users page, you'll see an option to add email addresses. Carefully type in the email addresses of the users or team members you wish to invite. Double check for any typos, as an incorrect email could mean your invite winds up in the wrong inbox. After entering the email address, look for the Invite button. Give it a click and Clickup will automatically send an invitation to the specified email addresses. The invitees will then receive a notification to join your Clickup workspace, and once they accept, they'll be able to start collaborating with you immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully invited your users and teams to Clickup. This process allows you to expand your collaborative network seamlessly, ensuring everyone is aligned and ready to optimize their workflow. Remember, collaboration is key, and effectively managing your team in Clickup will enhance productivity and streamline your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.